Good morning. Today we'll be doing exercise 9B from question number 7. A bus covers a certain distance in 3 hours 20 minutes at an average speed of 45 km per hour. How long will it take to cover the same distance at a speed of 36 km per hour? Here if you see, the distance is same. What is changing? The speed. So here we can get one relationship. If we increase the speed, if speed of something is increased, then obviously the time taken will be reduced. Distance is same, distance change नहीं हो रहा है. Suppose if you are reducing the speed, speed अगर घटा दे रहे हैं तब क्या हो जाएगा? ज़्यादा देर लगेगा. You will take more time to cover a certain distance. Correct. So coming back to the question, the last part of the question we have to see, and from there we will get what will be the initial phrase of our statement. So the question says, how long will it take to cover? How long will it take? That means time, right? So how long will it take? So the time taken, what time taken by what? By the bus. Come back to the first statement. Time taken by the bus to cover a certain distance is equals to, this is the time, so वो वाला time नहीं लेंगे. अच्छा, equal to से पहले we'll write this also. Time taken by a bus to cover a certain distance with a speed of 45 km per hour, तब equal to 3 hours 20 minutes. See, I've written the statement. Now the thing is, we will convert 3 hours 20 minutes into, either we'll convert this whole into hour or minute or second. So what we are going to do over here? Here we'll convert it into hour only. Why? Because if you see the other two things given over here, that is the speed, right? Both are in kilometer per hour. Per hour है, तो you have to convert this whole into hour. अगर यहाँ second रहता, then you would have completely changed it into second. Okay? But suppose if you want to convert this into minute, then here you have to convert this into kilometer per minute. So why to take that tension? Let's convert this complete into hour. So how we are going to convert this into hour? 3 hour will be 3 hour only. 20 minute, you write 20 by 60, like the case of mixed fraction. Now why 60 minute? If you want to change into hour, 3 hour था ही, change किसको करना था? Only 20 minute. तो 20 minute जो है, that will be changed into hour by dividing it by 60. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, so you will get 3 1 by 3. तो 3 1 by 3 क्या हो जाएगा? That will be 3 is 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. तो 10 by 3 hour, correct? 10 by 3 hour. That's the total time. Now the second statement will be again same, only this particular thing will be changed into unit. 1 unit. तो unit अगर बोल रहे हैं, that means this unit will not be changed. ये जो है the number that's changed into unit. Unit जब बोल रहे हैं, that means 1. 1 km per hour. The same statement, time taken by the bus to cover a certain distance with a speed of 1 km per hour is equals to. Now this is an inverse variation. You remember, I hope so. Inverse, when something is increasing and the other thing is decreasing because of that, right? As I said, if we increase the speed, the time taken will be decreased. So if you have inverse variation, then what do? The two things over here in LHS and RHS, we take this particular to the right hand side and then we multiply it. Now this is the second statement. I've written this जो 45 के लिए था, and then for 1 what do? इसको इधर ले जाके multiply कर देंगे 45, right? You can cancel over here also, or you can cancel in the next step also. And the final statement will be again the same statement, therefore though, and then write the same thing, only this thing will be changed according to the question. Get back to the question and read. What is it? 36 km per hour. फाइनल में 36 km per hour की स्पीड से अगर चल रहा है तो वो बस कितने टाइम में कवर करेगा सेम डिस्टेंस? दैट वाज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ द फाइनल स्टेटमेंट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कॉपी दिस कंप्लीट थिंग. This is whole divided by 3. Since this is multiplied, so ये whole divided by 3 हो सकता है. Now last step for inverse variation, what do? First step, second step में multiply करेंगे जो भी first steps में जो भी numbers given थे, and then for the last step what do? ये जो number है ये whole divided by में हो जाता है, divided by 36, या यहाँ पे whole divided by 36 कर सकते हैं. See how we are going to solve this by 45 into 3 divided by के बाद जो भी number है, that will become, we'll write the reciprocal of that, and instead of this sign we'll put multiplication sign. This is how we solve. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, right? Then what else can be reduced using the table of 3? 3 fives are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, then 3 6 are 12, 3 fives are 10. Sorry, 2 6 are 12 and then 2 fives are 10. So here it is 5 by 6. Here we are having a 5 and here a 5. 5 fives are 25, 25 by 6. If you divide it, what will you get? Change this into mixed fraction first. Okay. The 4, 6 fours are 24 and then what is left? 1 by 6. If you change this into mixed. Now this is 4 1 by 6 kilometer. Sorry, it's time, so it's R. But it's better if you change this into R minute, like we had in the question. So how you are going to change this into R and minute? We'll copy this down over here since I don't have space over here. So 4 1 by 6 R है, R को इस पोर्शन को तो R ही में रहना है. Only this portion we have to change into minute. तो for changing R into minute क्या करते हैं? 60 से मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ पे सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर दो दिस पोर्शन. 6 1 6, 6 10 तो 10 1 10. तो 4 hour and 10 minute. Then you are going to write the final statement. Hence, and copy down the same statement. Instead of equal to sign, write is. I'm not doing it. And whatever the final answer is, 4 hour 10 minute, and that's your answer. Please don't forget to write the unit, otherwise you'll lose marks for that. I hope so it's clear.